If your Kenworth is fitted with a bull bar like this, it's important to lower the bull bar before raising the hood, and we'll show you how. If you have to put a bar through these eye bolts to loosen the bolts, make sure you put the bar through straight, not on an angle like that, because if it's on an angle like that, as you turn it, you can inadvertently scratch the high polish. If you apply a bit of pressure to the bull bar, the eye bolts will undo quite easily. So what we've done here is we've put the 4 eye bolts in the tow hitch so that they don't get any dirt on the threads. As you can see, we've left the pin in so the bull bar doesn't fall on us. So to lower the bull bar, apply pressure to the post, remove the pin and walk backwards, and the bar will naturally lower as we step backwards.
To raise the bull bar, bend your knees, clasp the uppermost bar and walk towards the grille, and the bull bar will naturally return to its vertical travelling position with little effort. Place the toe pin into the centre hole to prevent the bull bar from falling. Replace the eye bolts to secure the bull bar in the travelling position by tightening firmly.